Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do from the top make it drop trend on TikTok. So for this you need two things. First you need the dubbing filter, and the second you need the music of course. So what you have to do, go to discover. Okay, and here search for the music. You can search from the top make it drop lip sync. Okay, you will see some videos. We need to get the sound from the video. Tap there. Okay, sorry I can't play the music here because it might be a copyright strike, but this is the music. On the bottom right corner of the screen you will see the music icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites. I'll suggest add it to your favorites, and if you want to use directly from here without saving, you can do that also. Just tap on use this sound. Okay, and the sound is selected. Now we have to choose the filter, so go there. Okay, and scroll up. It's a trending filter. Okay, so this is the effect. Select the effect. Okay, I'll show you how it works. As you can see, the lip sync is working. So you can press and hold the record button and you can record with the song is playing. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for dubbing. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there to use this effect likewise. Okay, so here we don't have the sound, so better to save the sound in your favorites so you can browse the sound.
Now,
Okay, so suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me close this. Visit this website. Link to this web page I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this web page you will get the sound also. Tap on the sound link and you can get the sound also. And here you will see the effect icon. You can tap there and you will be directed to the effect page, and from here also you can use this effect likewise. So that's it guys. Likewise you can do this from the top make it drop trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.